Hi, I'm Adam, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to set up the IDP Smart 51 card printer. In this video I'm going to be demonstrating using the IDP Smart 51 dual-sided, but just to make you aware, the setup process is exactly the same when using the IDP Smart 51 single-sided card printer. Inside the box you'll receive the following: printer itself, a power adapter, the power cord, USB cable, ribbon cartridge, quick start guide and the software installation CD. To start printing you'll also need a ribbon, a pack of blank white cards and the Easy Badge ID card design software. The first thing you'll need to do is open up the printer and remove the empty ribbon cartridge. We do this like so. Next up, we're going to load the new ribbon into the empty cartridge. It's important to remember that the supply core goes closest to the hook and the take-up core on the other side. If you are unsure, just follow the instructions inside of the cartridge. I'm now going to show you how to place the ribbon into the cartridge. With every ribbon, you'll also receive a cleaning roller. To insert this into the cartridge, simply flip the cartridge over and place the roller inside of the two hooks, clicking firmly into place. Once inserted, simply remove the film layer from the top of the roller. Okay, so we've now correctly inserted the ribbon into the cartridge. The next step is to drop this back into the printer. Remember, the supply core and the cleaning roller go towards the front of the machine. When we're dropping the cartridge back in, simply place it towards the rear of the printer, drop it in until you hear a click like so. If you do have difficulty inserting the ribbon cartridge, then there's an easy to follow diagram which will help you out just inside the printer. Once completed, just close the lid of the printer like so. Next up, we're going to be inserting the blank plastic cards into the input card hopper. It's important to only touch the side of the cards when handling to stop any marks or smears appear on the surface of the cards. We now need to lift the input card hopper open and insert the blank cards like so. Once complete, just close the lid. Next up, we're going to be connecting the power cord and installing the printer driver. If you're using the IDP Smart 51 single-sided, here's how. If you're using the IDP Smart 51 dual-sided, here's how. When installing the printer driver, we recommend that the printer remains switched off and is not connected to the computer via a USB cable. During the installation process, you'll be prompted to connect the computer and switch the power supply on. Click Driver Install. When User Account Control window is opened, click Yes. If the printer is on, please turn it off. You can select the languages. Click Next. When you click Next, older printer drivers will be removed automatically. This process will take several minutes to remove the older printer driver. When you click Next, the driver installation will be ready. Please click Next if printer is connected to USB only. If you're connecting the printer to a network, please see Step 7 in the Quick Setup Guide. Plug in USB cable and turn on the printer. The driver installation software is now installed, and that's our setup process complete. If you do require further assistance, you can reach our support team by emailing support@digitalid.co.uk or give the team a call direct on 0161 475 5346. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you soon.